This sauce is what the world knows as the Alfredo sauce. It can also be referred to as a cream and butter sauce nowadays, but originally, when it was created by the Roman restaurateur Alfredo de Lelio, well, it was just made with butter and Parmesan cheese. But things got tweaked a bit to suit the American tastes, and the dish became richer, creamier with the heavy cream. But there's no need to overcomplicate what an Alfredo sauce is. All it is some cream on a cold pan with butter, and you want to heat that gently until the cream heats just a tiny bit. I usually like to thicken it just a tiny bit and just cook your pasta close to al dente, a tiny bit under it. And as soon as the cream has thickened just a tiny bit, you turn the heat off and then add your cooked fettuccine. It's the most popular type of pasta. This here is tagliatelle. I love that as well. It's like a much wider, flatter fettuccine. Add it to the sauce, and then you add in your Parmesan cheese, black pepper, freshly grated if possible, salt, tiny bit for now, always adjust it at the end, and a tiny fresh grating of nutmeg. Now I've been using pecorino romano a lot lately as well, so I'll be adding that later on to make it even richer. And as you stir that now, as that cheese melts and then blends together with the sauce, it's gonna thicken. And believe it or not, once you've mixed it, tasted it, and added more cheese if you want to, that's all that there is to it. Of course there are variations, but no one can beat the classic. Next, I'm gonna try to make the original version of Alfredo, butter and Parmesan. Have a good one. I'll see you on the next one.